rotisserie
If you want to
chicken
know how I
that
made this
made in my air
scrumptious,
fryer.
mouth-watering air fryer chicken,
So
stay
if you want
tuned
to
and we'll
know
be back right
how to
after
do
this.
Alright, so
Hey
today we'll be
superstars, it's your
making
girl
this
Malika, aka
scrumptious,
Miss
delicious
Magic, back with another
rotisserie
video.
chicken
Today we'll be
that I made
making
in
this
my
air fryer scrumptious rotisserie chicken.
So
So if you are new here, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and hit that notification bell. And if you are returning, welcome back. Okay, so we're going to do this in our Chefman air fryer. We are making our scrumptious rotisserie lemon pepper chicken. Let's get started. Alright guys, so we are making our lemon chicken. Alright, so the ingredients needed are you're going to need 1 whole lemon cut up in quarters. Guys, I kind of eyeball it. You're going to need a lot. I have a 5 to 6 pound chicken, but the most ingredient I use is the salt and the garlic. And then I use maybe about 2 tablespoons of garlic pepper, a tablespoon of regular pepper, maybe 1/4 of a teaspoon of oregano, maybe about 3 tablespoons of poultry seasoning, a tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Gotta have that cayenne pepper because this is what makes the chicken kick. And the maybe 1/4 of a teaspoon of cumin. And that is how I make my seasoning. And this is how much I'm going to need. This is like a, I don't know, 1/4 cup bowl. So that's the seasoning. So let's get started washing this chicken. Alright, first thing we gotta do is wash our chicken. Go ahead and open this bad joker up. So you want to remove all the giblets and the chicken stuff that's inside of here. Okay, so now we're going to prepare the chicken for the air fryer. We are going to take our wings and fold them, tuck them underneath the bird. Now for the first 45 to 50 minutes, we are going to cook this bird on its chest area, or we're going to cook on the breast area, I should say. So what I usually do is after I wash it, you're going to loosen up the skin up in here, up in the breast area. And I put 4 pats of butter inside. Put one all the way to the top of the breast, and then on the other side all the way to the top of the breast. Then I like to put one down here where the quarter and the breast meet. Same thing on the other side. That's what I do for that. And now I'm going to take my lemon wedges and I'm going to put them inside of the cavity. So just 2 should do, and then save the other 2 for after the bird is done. And then close that up like that. Now we're going to take our vegetable oil. You can use olive oil, corn oil, whatever kind of oil you want, and spray the whole bird. And this is going to help for the seasonings to stick to it. Alright, then you're going to take your seasonings and go ahead and apply liberally to the whole bird, the breast part first. All over it. Get those legs Lift that leg up. Get that leg. Get in between that wing area. Alright, so once you've done that, you can go ahead and put the bird breast side down in the air fryer, which is what we're going to do. Breast side down, that's how you're going to cook it for 40 minutes. Then you can go ahead and season the back of the chicken. Try not to get too much seasoning on the bottom of the air fryer, but it's not gonna really matter. Well, this is an 8-quart air fryer, so it holds a pretty big chicken. This is a 6-pound chicken. If you have a smaller 5.8, I would say don't go over 4 pounds on your chicken. And if you have a smaller air fryer, don't do it whole chicken. Ain't gonna work. Alright, I want to make sure I get the wings pretty good. Okay, so that's how that looks. Rinse my hands off. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and put our chicken, so I wipe this off. If you got any seasoning, wipe it out. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put our chicken on 375, and right now it says 22 minutes, but of course we have a whole bird, so we're gonna go ahead and put this chicken on 60 minutes. Why is it going so slow? 60 minutes. We're gonna flip it 45 minutes in. Okay, 1 hour. And then we're gonna press start, and we're going, like I said, we're gonna come back 45 minutes in, and we're going to flip the chicken. Okay, 61 hour, and then temp. Okay, it has been 45 minutes, well, a little bit longer, so we are ready to flip our bird over. I got these little turkey tone things that I'm going to use to flip the bird over. And you're just going to go ahead, flip it over for the remaining 15 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit more seasoning on top of the bird just to give it some good color. It is looking delicious. Okay, so we're gonna put it back in there, and for the remainder of the 15 minutes, and our bird will be done. All right, guys, so our chicken is ready. It is ready to come out. Let's check her out. Look at that turkey. Look at, I was about to call it a turkey because, man, look at that chicken. That chicken looks so good. And it is a perfect rotisserie chicken. And we are going to take out with our tongs. And I just got these from Jules, my local grocery store. And I think they were like $1. So you're gonna take it out. Ooh, it's dripping with juice, baby. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. And there you have it. That's the whole chicken, and we're gonna cut into it so you can see how juicy it is. All right, guys, so you can use your lemon wedges to squeeze on your chicken after it is done, the remaining lemon wedges. And we're gonna cut into this bird right now so y'all can see how scrumptious and delicious this is. Let's see, which side do we wanna do? Let's do this side. Let me get a fork thing. All right, so cut right into this breast. Ooh, look at that, so juicy. Look at that. You see them juices? Y'all see them juices running in that bird? Ooh. Let's go ahead and take a piece. And the skin is out and crispy and scrumptious. All right, I'm gonna taste it, guys. Oh my goodness. It is mouth-watering. It is mouth-watering. The chicken is scrumptious. Woo! Look at that. All right, superstars, thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe. Give me a big thumbs up with a like, and go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you will be alerted when I post another cooking video. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope to see you in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.